Okay, we have another one of these 5-minute law of cosine problems. We're asked to solve a triangle, and it's where we have all three sides, the side, side, side case. To begin with, we are going to find the angle that's opposite the longest side, this 27 here, by using b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b. So the b squared is the 27 squared equals a squared would be this 12 squared because he's opposite the big A, added to c squared, which is 20 squared, and then minus 2 times 12 times 20 cosine of b, which is what we're looking for. We'll have to use the inverse in a little bit. All right, if we take 27 squared, we're getting 729 equals 144 plus 400 when we square those. And then when we multiply 2 times 12 times 20, I think we're going to get negative 480 cosine of b. All right, we're going to isolate the cosine of b. Let's first combine these two together. So we have 729 equals, that would be 544 minus 480 cosine of b. All right, I'm going to subtract 544 from both sides. 729 minus 544 is 185. So 185 equals negative 480 cosine of b. All right. We'll have to get the cosine of b away from the negative 480 by dividing by negative 480 on both sides. So I have cosine of b equals 185 divided by a negative 480, which is negative 38, negative 0.3854. Okay, to get an angle, we have to use the inverse. So angle B equals the arc cosine of negative 0.3854. So second cosine turns on the arc. Negative 0.3854 is 112.66, so approximately 112.7 degrees. All right, so that was angle B, 112.7 degrees. Now I can flip over and do a law of sines since I have an angle and an opposite side from it. So let's find our angle A using the law of sines. We'll say sine of B, which is 112.7, divided by 27 equals sine of A divided by 12. Go back and look at my law of sine rules if you need to. Cross multiply, and you have 12 sine of 112.7 equals 27 sine of A. To get sine of A alone, we're going to divide both sides by 27. So I have sine of A equals, this into the calculator, 12 sine of 112.7, hit your equal, then divide by 27. And you're going to get 0.4100. All right, so angle A will be the arc sine of 0.4100. So arc sine 0.4100 is approximately 24.2 degrees. So angle A is approximately 24.2 degrees. Now, we only have one step left. We have 180 degrees in every triangle. So if we're going to find the measure of angle C, all we have to do is take these two angles, add them together, and subtract it from 180. So 112.7 added to 24.2. See, 963, that's 136.9, and then 180 minus 136.9 is 43.1 degrees. Now you can check yourself by adding those three back together, and if you get 180 degrees, then you know that you're correct.